Hello travelers and welcome to another TMR tour. Today we're headed to Walt Disney World's Coronado Springs Resort, where we're going to take a look at a regular room here on property over in the Ranchos area. One of the main reasons we like staying here is because the rooms are very spacious. In addition to the 2 queen beds, you get a long, clean countertop that has your dresser underneath, so it doubles as a desk and a dresser, and there are plenty of extra USB ports. Another feature that we really enjoy of these rooms is that the bathroom can be closed off from the main space. In addition, the toilet and shower can be closed off from the double vanity. The shower head in the tub is also a double shower head, so you get the rainfall head as well as the handheld. Depending on your location in the resort, some rooms have a walk-in shower instead of a tub shower. We hope you enjoyed this room tour over at Coronado Springs, and we hope it helps you plan your next Disney resort vacation. Let us know what your favorite resort is in the comments below, and let us know if you want any more resort tips or room reviews. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on another TMR tour.